In 1998, an archaeological dig led to the discovery of an unusual object. The object's unique characteristics immediately distinguished it from other artifacts. Its design featured a symmetrical structure. The object also possessed a foldable design, adding to its uniqueness. Strange symbols adorned the object's surface. These symbols further contributed to the artifact's mysterious nature. The artifact bears a striking resemblance to a modern laptop computer. This similarity has prompted some researchers to draw comparisons. The artifact's design suggests advanced technological knowledge. Further analysis is required to determine the artifact's true purpose and origin. The artifact was discovered in close proximity to the remnants of an ancient settlement. This settlement has been dated back to approximately 10,000 BCE. This era predates the widespread adoption and practice of agriculture. The artifact's location provides valuable context for understanding its cultural and historical significance. Further analysis of the settlement remains may reveal additional insights about the artifact's purpose. The age of the settlement suggests a pre-agricultural society with unique adaptations and technologies. The excavated object is described as rectangular in shape. It features a hinged design, suggesting a potential opening or closing mechanism. The artifact is constructed from a stone-like composite material. Its surface is covered with engraved symbols. These symbols are arranged in a grid-like pattern across the object's surface. The artifact has two distinct flat surfaces. One surface is covered in various symbols. The other surface is smooth. The smooth surface resembles a keyboard and screen. Mainstream archaeology often classifies certain artifacts as ritual objects. This categorization implies a specific function related to ceremonial or religious practices. However, the ritual object designation is not universally agreed upon within the field. Some archaeologists propose alternative interpretations of the artifact's purpose. These alternative views may stem from different theoretical frameworks or analytical approaches. The debate highlights the complexities in interpreting the function of ancient artifacts. Photographs of the artifact were disseminated among independent researchers. Researchers analyzed the images to determine the artifact's nature. The artifact's visual characteristics bore a striking resemblance to a laptop computer. This resemblance sparked further investigation into the artifact's potential origin and purpose. The artifact incorporates a foldable design. It also features a structured interface. These features contribute to its resemblance to a laptop. The foldable design enhances portability. The structured interface improves usability. Symbolic representation theory explores how objects can represent abstract concepts. An object may not be what it seems functionally. Instead, it can serve as a symbol for something else entirely. For example, a laptop could represent advanced knowledge or complex ideas. The lost civilization hypothesis proposes that advanced societies existed in the distant past. These civilizations may have achieved significant technological advancements. A global catastrophe, potentially at the end of the last ice age, could have caused their demise. This cataclysmic event may have resulted in the loss of their advanced technology. Evidence supporting this hypothesis remains a subject of ongoing debate and investigation. The artifact features engraved symbols. These symbols are organized in rows. The arrangement includes repeated patterns. This suggests a structured design. The structure implies a logical arrangement. The symbols likely serve a purpose beyond mere decoration. Linguists have analyzed the symbols, but have not yet achieved a conclusive translation. The symbols exhibit a structured layout. This structured layout suggests a potential interface. The interface may be similar to that of modern devices. The structured layout of symbols suggests a deliberate organizational principle. This arrangement is reminiscent of information presentation on contemporary devices. The intentional design implies a user interface concept. Therefore, the layout supports the notion of a planned and structured information system. Göbekli Tepe is an archaeological site that challenges traditional views of early human societies. The site's existence suggests that early humans possessed advanced capabilities. These capabilities were present earlier than previously believed by historians and archaeologists. Göbekli Tepe indicates a level of sophistication not typically associated with so-called primitive cultures. The site's features imply complex social structures and technological skills. Discoveries at Göbekli Tepe prompt a re-evaluation of early human history and societal development. A catastrophic event can eradicate a technologically advanced culture. The destruction leaves behind only durable remnants. Stone artifacts are likely to survive such events. Symbolic representations may also endure as fragments of the lost civilization. The laptop artifact could be interpreted as a memory device. Alternatively, it might have served as a teaching tool for the civilization. Another theory suggests it is a symbolic representation. Specifically, it could symbolize knowledge storage from a lost civilization. Mainstream archaeologists refute the possibility of stone conducting electricity. This dismissal challenges the notion of a functional laptop made from stone. The core argument centers on the material properties of stone. Conventional understanding posits stone as an electrical insulator. Therefore, stone is deemed unsuitable for conducting electrical currents necessary for a laptop's operation. This perspective forms a key point of contention in discussions about ancient technology. The absence of a power source is a key factor in dismissing the laptop theory. The lack of any visible circuitry further weakens the laptop hypothesis. Mainstream science uses these points to support its rejection. These observations are critical to the scientific assessment. Without power or circuitry, the object cannot function as a laptop. This lack of functionality is a fundamental contradiction. Critics suggest the primary focus should be on an object's appearance. The key question is why an object resembles a specific item, such as a laptop. This perspective emphasizes visual characteristics over functionality. The argument is valid regardless of whether the object actually functions as intended. Therefore, appearance plays a crucial role in how an object is perceived and categorized. Some researchers suggest artifacts may represent conceptual technology. This perspective shifts the focus from physical functionality to symbolic meaning. Conceptual technology emphasizes the representation of intelligence. It also highlights the embodiment of knowledge within the artifact. Therefore, the artifact is viewed as a symbol rather than a functional tool. Ancient cultures encoded advanced concepts into symbols. This encoding occurred long before the technology to realize these concepts existed. Myths about flight predate the invention of airplanes. Symbolic encoding served as a way to preserve and transmit complex ideas across generations. An artifact can function as a metaphor. It can represent knowledge in a symbolic form. The artifact may symbolize communication beyond human understanding. It can embody advanced concepts. The artifact serves as a representation of complex ideas. One theory posits that a discovered object is not a tool. Instead, it suggests the object serves as a warning. This warning is a reminder of a past civilization. This civilization advanced too rapidly and extensively. Ultimately, they lost control over their own knowledge and progress. The laptop could represent a message from a lost civilization. This message may detail the origins of their advanced society. It could also explain the factors that led to their civilization's demise. The message serves as a historical record of their societal trajectory. Understanding their rise and fall may offer insights for current civilizations. The artifact's design evokes a sense of familiarity. Its resemblance to a laptop prompts reflection on technological progress. It raises questions about the novelty of our technological future. The design suggests a possible repetition of past innovations. It challenges the assumption that all technological advancements are entirely new. This comparison encourages a deeper understanding of technological evolution.